From the time that we walked in the doors as a family, it was fun, it was engaging, we felt right at home with RV Country, and we knew that we had made the right selection in choosing a vendor to help us through this family experience.
The RV shopping and purchasing process was a lot easier than I thought it would be. The team was extremely helpful and showed us lots of different options and were great to work with.
When we didn't find an RV at our home location, we found one at the Sparks location in Nevada. That looked perfect for our family. The team was fantastic about bringing it down and letting us go through it. And then there was the management team. Helpful, easy to talk to, and you could tell they really care about their customers' experience.
Let the adventure begin. I'm so excited for Idaho, Boise, Washington, Nevada, Yellowstone. I'm just so excited that we finally have an RV.
I really like the RV because I get to go to different states and see my family and friends scattered throughout America. One
great thing about here being an RV Country is their huge selection of parts and service things. We were able to get up and running, get our vehicle, and get out on the road fully set up with great selection. Identifying the punch list that we had was quick, easy, and simple. They hit all of our needs really quickly, and it did not prevent us from getting on the road and getting to our destination after purchase.
Looks like we're leaving. Thanks, RV Country. See you later.
All right, it's time to hit the road. We just got our keys, paperwork's done, and our first destination is 300 miles away. It's time to RV. Thank you, RV Country. We'll see you soon.